Hey outers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you are notified each time I post a video. So yeah guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Rita and this is my channel. Yeah, so today is a Saturday, is in the night. I'm starting this vlog in the night, which is weird because I never start my vlogs in the night, but I'm starting this vlog in the night because today is a Saturday and we're having a game night in the hostel, and it's a new week, like content consistency, it's my new name. So yeah guys, so right now we are going to have a game night downstairs. I thought let me take you guys with me because you need to know what I do here in India. It's self-study and go and do research. Say a groover sometimes guys, okay, not much often, but yeah guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoy the vlog. I love you. So yeah, these are the few snacks that he organized for the game night. Then the game night will return farewell messages to Nandita because he's been so good to us, yeah guys. And yeah, it didn't end well because they had to go back to college, so we had to cut it short. But enjoy. We're not focusing.
And that's so nice. It's when I learn, yeah. Oh, Ganita doesn't say no, I said, yeah. Then when it's time to say no, I said, I think.
How to tell my feelings. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Love you all. Thank you very much for the celebration and everything. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Awilo lukomba eguchika tokakwa wabadni ikwamba a living like no other egwanya na kwachu nyapito bawalibe I don't need talk and you go no feeling good parana.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now.
Kingdom of Swatini, and today I am happy to represent my country. I know most of you don't know about it, but sit and let's travel to Eswatini. So this is the Kingdom of Eswatini. It is in the southern part of Africa. It is in the north of South Africa and in the borders of Mozambique.
Nzenesi tene mazamu dunia tene mazamu tenkozesa bintu bichamu segu ya mwanadamu kuba bamu muli bachamu.
Ayerem pokal no leva ande pum
Hey artist, decided to share this day with you guys. So my friend got admission in Australia, so we're celebrating him this day when he came to see us. Then we took a few pictures with the other girls in the hostel. Yeah, guys. This is the end of the vlog. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for your love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.